Oh, do you remember your initial reaction when you found out that when they said heart murmur? Like, what was your initial reaction?
I was a little worried. I really was with my looks, with my family being around. They said, "Are you okay?" I'm like, this is big. This is
This is
something
something
for being
for
my
me.
first child. Yeah. I was scared. I was really worried. But more, I was like, okay, well, let's see what's going to be the next step because the world of medicine has grown throughout the years. So I had
Oh,
a lot of faith with my doctors, with everybody that was leading me to the right direction, with my family, having the big support